Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this strong detox recipe that will enable you poo all that waste in your stomach, causing you gain a lot of belly fat, flush everything out, all the waste, food store up with this strong detox juice so you can get back in shape. This is really powerful, so if you want to make it, make sure you are at home because this takes you to your restroom to poo everything out. So in order to come up with this recipe, I'll be using ginger and turmeric. So if you don't have turmeric, you can just stick with ginger, or you add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll tell you subsequently in the video. If you don't have the fresh turmeric root, that is fine. You just need to get your ginger. So in the measurement of this ginger, you'll be using 2 crushed tablespoons of ginger and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric. So I'm using fresh. Fresh is best. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use dry, but fresh ginger is really recommended. So you just want to get your ginger, wash thoroughly. If you like to blend without peeling, that is fine for you, but this period I like to really clean my ingredients, peel, because I don't want to take chances, because of the environmental, all the diseases around now. You just want to really clean your ingredients. So this is it. I'll peel and chop up in sizes that I can easily blend. So this is very powerful for fat burning. They contain anti-inflammatory properties to break down and flush all waste out of your system. They boost your metabolism, help the breakdown of stubborn and hardened food store up in your system, preventing you from losing that belly fat. Like if you are a meat lover, you want to always add ginger to soften it so your system easily breaks it down. Like this is so powerful, yeah. So you crush, and this is the first ingredient. The second ingredient I'll be adding in here would be green tea, which is a very powerful detoxifier. Don't bother about the green tea taste because you will not feel it in here with the other ingredients I'll be adding. But this is very good for detoxification. Remember, you want to enable your system to flush all the stubborn food store up, making you gain weight and belly fat. So we need something to really detox the system. So I'll be achieving tea out of the green tea. But what you need to do is you put your tea in hot water, get your tea, because you can actually extract the benefits by dissolving it with hot water. You can get the by infusing it, in hot water, like you see me doing. Then you leave it to cool down. That is when you get your green tea to use now, to come up with this. So while it is cooling down, this is the third ingredient: pineapple. Very good for detox. Pineapples contain a lot of good enzymes your system needs to provoke detoxification. While you cleanse, it leaves the good enzymes, so you are not really vulnerable to sicknesses as well. So this is so important. This is half a pineapple. I used half of it for my smoothie, so this is just half of what I left now for my powerful detox recipe. You just want to slice your pineapple. Very good for fat burning. The middle of the pineapple, very powerful. Plus this is very good for detox. The next thing I'll be adding, sorry I'm so fast because I don't like making my videos too long. I'll be adding lime, lemon, and grapefruit. These are very powerful citrus fruits that help provoke or stimulate the breakdown of fat in your system. It stimulates your system to break down fats. Like this boosts your metabolism and help you break down hardened fats or food store up in your system, waste everything flushed. If you don't have grapefruit or you don't consume grapefruit, you can just stick with 2 limes and 1 lemon, or 2 lemons, 1 lime, if you don't consume grapefruit. But I'm fine with that, and this brings in different flavors to actually just minimize the flavor from the green tea. You get the trick. So you not even feel this green tea. So the green tea is now cooled down. This is when you want to use it, when it cools down, because if you put it hot, it might destroy some of the benefits of our detox juice here for this method. So this is it. These are my ingredients: my ginger and turmeric I'm putting in the blender. That is my pineapple. You want to watch the procedure because I will not be adding the juice from the citrus fruits in here. What I will be using to blend this will be the green tea. This is what you use to blend the ingredients with before you later on add in the juice from your citrus fruit. So it is really powerful and in the most concentrated form. So everything here now is concentrated. You want to blend to get a very smooth consistency that you can easily extract and get your fat burning juice out of here, your detox fat burner. But some people can actually drink this as a smoothie, so that is fine. But some people cannot really stand because there's a little bit of ginger and turmeric in here, so some people cannot really consume that. So you can consume it in the form of juice, but this should be consumed as fast as possible. 3 glasses a day. Like, you want to take that day to consume this to flush you out. Don't keep it till the next day. If it is a smoothie, that is fine. You can still consume for one day and you still get a good benefit out of it. So this is it. You see the fiber. I will not throw this fiber. So it's not like I'm throwing the fiber, but I will add in papaya. Or if you don't have papaya, you can add in banana to make your fat burning breakfast smoothie with. You don't need to throw that, the pulp. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, I'll show you when I finish extracting the juice out of this. So this is my pulp, this is the fiber. You don't want to throw this. This is very detoxifying and fat burning as well. So if you're taking a cleanse day, you can actually just add in papaya here as your meal, as your breakfast. You consume the juice to cleanse you up. This is very powerful. Make sure you don't throw it. So what I want to do now is I want to add in the juice from the citrus fruits in there. So that cup was already so full, so I had to split so I get the juice into I mix up everything the same. Yeah. So now you want to put it in your large cup, jar, or big bottle. This is equivalent to 3 large cups, 3 very large cups, or you can split into 4 cups during the day. This is what you drink morning on an empty stomach, midday, in the evening, last thing at bedtime. Like, you want to cleanse your system with this. Like, this will detox you, take you to your restroom. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to consume this, make sure you are at home. You are comfortable where you are, because you actually poo-poo. You visit your restroom and poo-poo everything out, cleanse your system. Like, most especially during this summer period, you want to maintain that healthy body size, that you feel free, put on your clothes. Most especially us here where I live is really, we have like 6 months of cold and 6 months of sun. So that is when you feel like you should maximize the benefits of the sunny period. That is why you hear me, I always constantly mention summer, because we have just a little time to enjoy the sun. So you want to enjoy it, feel free, put on your clothes and feel, not just put on your clothes and feel confidently, for your health as well. You need to always stay in shape with good healthy body size, that you don't end up obese with some health complications, not necessarily being skinny, but just having that healthy body size that you don't get obese, and which leads to hypertension, high blood pressure, diabetes, all those health complications that doctors start telling you what to eat and not to eat. That is what we are avoiding, not just to have that beautiful size, but to prevent diseases like that. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.